Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stock screener in investing.com. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the more section there. Now you can just simply press on stock screener here, and you can just select the country, the exchange, and the sector. And after that you can also select the industry, the equity type, and you can also add another criteria if you want to, but usually it's not necessary, it's just optional if you want to do that. And after that you can just press on show results, and after that you will be able to see it. Now in my case it gave me an error because I have selected random things here, but if you do it correctly you will be able to see the screener results here. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.